Introduce highlight features or overview summary for GUSSLM Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: wide compatibility. HDMI interface is highly compatible and can be convertible to other interfaces. The device with HDMI interface can be used directly, and the device without HDMI interface can be used with HDMI converter. Our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit support for Windows, macOS, iOS and Android screen sharing. It's perfectly suitable for you, used for education, conference, broadcasting and streaming. Note: mobile phone screen sharing is not supported. Plug and play. Simply connect transmitter, TX, to HDMI port on PC/laptop, then connect receiver, RX, to HDMI port on HDTV/projector/monitor. Driver-free and auto pairing with a true plug-and-play experience and eradicating HDMI wiring between device and TV. High-quality HDMI wireless transmission. Our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit up to 131 feet, or 40 meters between laptop and connected display. Taking advantage of Wi-Fi 5, AC, and MIMO technologies, transmitter and receiver devices pair automatically while providing for casting and mirroring from mobile devices. Connections are self-optimizing for reliance and stability. 1080p image quality. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports video resolution up to 1920x1080 at 60 and more resolutions. Auto encode, transmission and decode preserves video quality. Supporting full RGB color gamut without compression or artifacts. Direct HDMI signal connections make the most of high-quality video signals and deliver low latency, lag, and tear-free video. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.